2, 3, mabuhay, hi, INFA.
This Jose is a national hero at alumnus din ng UST. Sinong Jose?
Jose Taco Rizal.
Jose Maritza.
No, don't finish ko lang. Uy, uy! Okay, isa ba? Mag-usap ko. Anong prutas ang hindi namamatay? It's avocado de lisa. Ah!
More on 27. Are there any questions or concerns regarding the assignment board today's activity?
Kunwari kinakain ng mangga. Share ka naman. Ang sarap naman. Mali. Wow, that's alright.
Kasi hindi tayo mabubuhay kapag walang ganyan.